No,
Look, it's smoking there now.
I wanted to smoke.
Alright, good day guys and welcome to another video. It is Diwali day here in Trinidad. We just finished Hawan. As you can see, that's it burning there. We did our little prayers and whatnot. And we're ready for the night. Now, certain circumstances in the family, we're not celebrating big this year. So you won't see us lighting up a whole set of dias and whatnot. But it is still a very auspicious time. So of course we still have to do the prayers and commemorate Diwali. So let's take a look back at the day and everything we've done. So we chunk in the pot. You see them yellow spots. I see pepper, green pepper and onion. Alright, and we add in our garlic. Minced up garlic. So we're cooking on a little firecracker here, as we call it in Trinidad. There's so much, we can't cook it on the stove. We have to cook it outside. And check the plate. There's bandania, or shadow benny, or culantro. Now we're going to add the main ingredient, curry. Make a little curry paste with the curry. Wish we had smell-o-vision, try to smell it. So nice and spicy. You have to let that chunky and cooked properly before you add anything else. Real coconut milk, like we grate up and blend ourselves. Look at the amount of pepper. All nice scotch bonnet, real hot pepper. And then all this stuff for Parsad and all the different things. So yeah, with the Chataigne here, peel and everything. Peeling this is a chore. Alright? So all that will be curried until a little later. So curry patched properly, bunjia and patched properly. I don't know if bunjia is the right word. But it patched properly when the oil, see how the oil started to come up on the side? It started to separate from the curry itself. You know it already. If you don't do that, the curry does walkie belly. And now we're going to add the channa. And I see potato, as we say here, aloo. After everything chunky and whatnot, they start to add the water for it to start to cook down. As you can see, it's a big pot. We really have a cover for the pot. You know, we're innovative. A page out of the old days book and cut fig leaf to act as cover. Which one? That one right there? Alright, so that's the leaf. You wash it out, cut it down to size, and cover in the pot. So that's pumpkin, everybody's favorite. And this is the sweet rice. Also everybody's favorite. So we're making some small pulaury for the curry. See the mix? That's it, cooking away there. So we're getting ready. You can see all the ingredients as the Chataigne, to cook the Chataigne on the fire side. So this is the Chataigne. Steaming down and currying up. This is the Chataigne after it cooked down. Nice and soft. See the big pepper inside. It's for busting bamboo later. Is that air cannon?
Yeah, we're strapping it up.
Yeah, to keep it from blowing apart.
Blowing apart, yeah.
Alright, so we're frying. What are we frying here?
Sahina.
That's it, finished there. Looks good, and this is the mix. It's like a bygone chips now.
Okay, yeah. And you twist to the bygone here.
Bygone chips. We go start to sell. So here we are with all the food behind us. Now let's go through and maybe tell you each one of them. Alright. So we're starting off here with the roti, as you can see there. Paratha, or better known as bus up shot. We have the Channa and Aloo. We have sahina and some baigani. This is curry. You can see with the bolas. Rice, of course, and then we have some chutney. Mango anchar.
Potato with mushrooms and stuff.
Okay. We have pumpkin. Over there. And then what kind of anchar is this? Chalta anchar. And then we have the famous Chataigne with a little onion chow, right? What is it called?
onion.
Cut up onion and spice it up and everything. So this is all the different things we cooked today, including all the different sweets and whatnot. So as you can see, those are big menus. Sweets. We have the Parsad, and we have the different sweets we made. We have Gulab Jamoon, we have Kurma, we have Barfi, different types of Barfi. What is the yellow Barfi, Vani? So Barfi and then Barfi with some sprinkles on it. So yeah, these are the sweets that we made today. Whoa! Alright, so you could hear we busting the bamboo. These guys, and it wasn't so loud. I don't remember bamboo being this loud. And they're using technology. We used to have to blow it out. They're using a hairdryer to push out the air. This thing's so loud. It's like a pressure cannon basically. This is the old school way. You have to blow the smoke out. Right. That's my ship. There you go. Alright, so we're here at the bamboo and we're going to build some of the fireworks. They're going to do one now. Let them down. Let them down. Look at the size of this starlight. I pray to do it. This thing mashing up the stick out. Pitching the stick out. Ooh, very detailed. So is that spontaneous Mahindi session?
Yes. Yes. Normally, this is usually happen on Diwali night for some strange reason.
This is like we're on Mother's time.
What's about music this year?
Oh, wait, I forget to do one.
I can do that.
Flowers going up.
Yes, guys. You got this.
Do the next line, just do that. And then do the next line.